Hello, today you'll be taking the writing benchmark. After launching your test through Eduphoria, you will need to click on the writing benchmark to open the test. In the first section, you will see a revision passage and questions that follow. Question number 1 and later question number 6 will not be answered, and they will not count against you. You can have the passage read to you by clicking on the person speaking icon right here. Click the Next button on the bottom right-hand side of your screen to move to the next question. In this portion of the benchmark, the questions can be read to you. Just click on the person speaking icon right here. In the editing section of this benchmark, the passage and questions will not be read to you. The last part of your writing benchmark asks you to write an essay. On the left side of your screen, you will have your prompt and other resources. On the right side of your screen, you will see the prompt that you can have read to you, and then a place for you to type your answer. After you are done answering all these questions, you will click on the Submit button to turn in your work. As a reminder, you do not have to hit Submit after every question. If you do accidentally hit Submit, make sure that you contact your teacher immediately.